been getting a whole, well, not a whole lot. There's a couple of people that want to know what other kind of stuff that black people got hang-ups on. What other things? You know, I've been getting people asking me too, just saying, making up excuses for black people. I mean, for people getting in the middle of the units. You know, what's the big hang-up about it? You know, stuff like that. So I'm going to answer some questions. You know, if this the thing right here. If it was a wall in between, like say if there's 3 units there, but ain't no wall, I'm not standing to that dude. First place, he might pee on my shoe. Second place is he might, you know, take a peek. I don't want him peeking at me. So that's why I kind of turn at an angle, somebody in the middle, and I peek. I don't want him looking at me. Excuse me. But anyway, no, I want him looking. I don't have nothing against gay people, so don't be saying that. I got a son that's gay. But anyway, I don't want nobody looking at me. Now, if it's a wall right there, I get in the middle. So that's the exception right there. Or if I gotta pee real, real bad. Okay, now we gotta finish with that. I'm not finished. There's people making up excuses talking about maybe he was when he was in there, maybe there was people people on the side of him, so he got in the middle. No, because I was like right behind him, probably about a minute. He went in, then about a couple of seconds later I went in, so he was already in the middle peeing when I got in there. So no, he went straight to the middle. There wasn't no wall right there. Anyway, so people was asking what other kind of stuff that's hang-ups. I got 2 more things. And maybe you guys can add some more, but I got 2 more things. One is when you see somebody you haven't seen for a long time, and you go in with that dab, you go in with that handshake, and then they put the arm around you. You're supposed to use your fist, put your arm around like this with the fist. Right? That's what brothers do. Have that closed hand. If you open your hand and start rubbing on my back, something wrong with that. Sorry, there's something wrong with that right there. And then when you release, you still hold my hand, and you put your hand on my shoulder and start squeezing. What the hell? There's something wrong with that. We don't like that. I'm just saying. You come in with that hug, with that handshake, with that hug, add a hand, that fist right there. Then count down 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. You finish. Ain't no prolonged hug. No dude gonna hug another dude for no long time. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003, over. Anyway, what you guys feel about that? The second thing is, if I introduce you to my wife, and my wife pretty, but if I introduce you to my wife, and she hold her hand out, shake your hand, and you hold her hand prolonged, just a long time, something wrong with that. So you hold I'm counting down while you hold my wife's hand. 1,001, 1,002, 1,003. Release. What the hell? If you don't release, what the hell? And if she don't snatch out, what the hell? But my wife kind of, how can I put it? She kind of person that don't want to offend nobody. I don't give a darn. You know the word I wanted to use. Snatch your hand out of there. You don't know, that dude could be digging in his nose, digging in his booty or something. I don't know what that dude been doing with his hand. Plus, he hold your hand too long. Your hand's soft. He might be addicted to your hand. Let a hand go, man. You I remember one time, because we used to go to this club, they closed now because of COVID. We used to go to this club like twice a month because she wanted to get dressed up and go out and dance and stuff. And I introduced her to one of my friends. Well, I'll take that back. He's one of my friends, but I introduced her to him like years ago. So she know him too. Big Ben. So I'm standing up there, he's shaking her hand, how you doing? Shaking her hand, he's still holding her hand. I'm like, break that on up, man. Break that on up, let her hand go. In my mind, I was counting 1001, 1002, 1003. In my mind. And as soon as I got to 1003, I was like, oh, that's long enough, break it up. You know what I mean? Still holding my wife's hand. In your mind, you should be counting 1001, 1002, 1003. You should be counting in your mind when you hold another man's wife's hand. Now, if she was single, I could see you holding her hand like that. And that's usually what you do when you're single. You prolong the hand. Prolong the hand, holding the hand of a woman that you want to talk to. But that's improper if you hold somebody's wife's hand like that. Sorry, y'all. But, yeah, I just wanted to, go over a couple of things. I can think of a couple more. But I just want to make this short video because people was asking questions and talking about the urinal thing. And I haven't had no white people yet say how they feel about that. If y'all don't like that, I'm just saying, let's forget it. I want to hear from Mexicans, Puerto Ricans. I want to hear from all the races. Chinese people, how you feel about it? Because I don't think it's just a black thing. I think every man got that in their mind. Or say the same thing, they just haven't said it out loud like me. And Buffalo Picker, you made a comment like, come on, Kev. What the hell? You don't believe in that? He made a comment like, come on, Kev, come on. Come on, man. What the hell, Buffalo? Something going on? Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin from St. Louis. I go to yard sales, estate sales. I go to Goodwill. I pick up soda cans. I pick up water bottles. I pick up anything to make some money. I've been selling on eBay since 2002. Anyway, y'all, this is Kevin. I'm picking in the hood, too. Yeah, because we pick in the hood, too.